March 31st. So I'm up right now. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got out of bed, so it's pretty bad to tell you something. But yeah, so I'm up right now because I'm about to eat breakfast. Yes, at 3 o'clock. And I need to just like, it's gonna be a gist day. I think I said it wrong. But anyways, I'm just about to just get stuff done. I need to clean my apartment because I haven't cleaned my apartment. Like ever since my bunny died, I just have not. Ever since Simba died, I have not gotten my stuff together. So I need to clean my apartment. I need to take care of my skin. So I'm gonna wash my face, do a face mask. I'm really feeling this new face mask. I'll show you to you guys and everything. It's like new to me, but it's like super old. People have been using it for like years. And yeah, do some laundry. I have to sadly go back to school tomorrow. Not excited about that, but it's okay, it's cool. So I just want to get everything together so it looks right, my apartment and stuff, you know. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna show you my apartment before I like clean it and everything. Forgot backlight, and I walk backwards. Bro, my bunny, look at her. She follows me now everywhere. It's hilarious. So I'm gonna get some breakfast. My refrigerator is pretty sad. I don't really have food, but it's okay. This is how much milk I have left. I'm gonna watch some Blackish while I eat my cereal and stuff. And I'm going to, I'm gonna try to go to the gym. I really should go to the gym, so I know she don't think she's about to eat. Pip, dinner is not until 7:30, it's 3 o'clock. Sometimes it's so weird if I work out and it's not a good workout, then I just get really like sad. So, but I really need to go over there. So I think I might shoot. I don't know. Let me eat and we'll decide from there. Okay, so I finished eating my cereal. So now I'm about to actually go to the gym. I decided I'm gonna go. Even if it's just for a little bit, I'm gonna go. It's gonna make me feel better. Now I'm dressed to go to the gym. And I haven't brought my mirror from my parents' house yet here to my apartment, so that's why I have to do like this. You're not getting a full length mirror, but like a full length shot. But yeah, this is just a state track and field shirt I got on from 2013, my sophomore year. Wow, hole in it, cool. And these are just my blue Lululemon leggings. Yeah, but yeah, so I'm about to fill up my water bottle and head to the gym. Workout complete, and I am back down to my apartment. Okay, so as you saw, I went to the gym. I'm back. It was an okay workout. It's my first time at my apartment gym, so I just didn't really know what all like, you know, like stuff they had and everything. So I'm just gonna like have to like alter my workout based off of the equipment that's there. I'm about to. I need to cool off first, like stop sweating before I get in the shower, because like my shower's hot, and then I'll start sweating even when I get out of the shower. So I guess I'll go ahead and get all my clothes together to start my laundry. Yeah, I could do that, and then I'll just start doing dishes and stuff. But let me just show you my apartment, because y'all, it's really bad. Like, I've just been so... This is just from this morning now, but yeah, I need to like just get all my stuff together. That's trash, but it's glass, so I haven't figured out where I'm supposed to put that yet. But look, I just have stuff just like... I got stuff in the dishwasher, like, my place, it just, when I tell you I get stressed and I just don't really care how my laptop right here. Like, what is this? Like, what is going on here? Throw the clothes I need to put away. I didn't even put my clothes away from when I moved in, because like I literally moved in and didn't have time to do any of my stuff, and then he died, so I was so stressed. I wash my sheets and stuff. So this is his cage. I haven't done anything with it because it's really sad, so I'm gonna leave it there. And clean her litter box and everything, and yeah, so. You saw at the beginning what my room looks like. So, of course I'm gonna show you it after because it's a hot mess, as you can see. So, I guess, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start, I guess, putting stuff in its spot. So like throwing stuff away and everything, putting my dishes at least in the sink, and then I'll start with laundry and stuff, and then, you know, I'll take my shower and everything, so. Yes, counter is pretty much cleaned. My dishes are in the sink and everything. So what I'm gonna do now, like all the clothes and stuff I'm gonna wash, I put already in the hamper. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my shower because I'm cooled off and everything. And I'm trying to also drink a lot more water. But yeah, so I'm gonna go take my shower first, and then I'll do my face and everything. I'll show you the face mask and everything that I'm using and stuff. So yeah. I'm definitely feeling a lot better today than I was yesterday or the day before that or any other day. so that's good. My job called also when I like right as I left the gym, and so I go to work tomorrow at 5. So I mean at 4, which should be good because I meet with my team doctor at 2. So hopefully I should be done by then, and I'll just take my stuff with me and everything prepared. But all right, so I will talk to you guys in a second after I take my shower. All right. Bye. Also the soap I've been using lately. If you cannot tell, I really like this brand OGX like products. I use it. That's for my shampoo and conditioner for my hair. And I just recently started using body wash, so I think it might be breaking me out on my chest. So we'll see. But yeah, I like it so much. Okay, so normally I'll continue with my skincare routine, but since I'm gonna do a face mask today, every time I do a face mask, I just cleanse my face to make sure my face is clean, and then I put my face mask on. And after that, you know, I do the rest of my skincare routine. So since I'm doing a face mask, I'm doing the like Indian clay. I'll insert up here so you can see what I'm talking about, the Indian clay mask. My mom actually has it, so I took some from her place and put it in a baggie. So that way I can have some here in my apartment because it's not technically mine. She don't even use this. Honestly, I could have took it. She might not even have noticed. But anyways, so I'm gonna get a bowl so I can start this. So the face mask is on. This is the thing I hate though about this face mask, I will admit, is that I feel like I always end up wasting so much. I'm gonna see if I can like, I don't know, more like watery, and maybe it's supposed to be this way, and the other times I've just been wrong. But in a little bit it's gonna get to a point where I can't talk, so I'm just gonna explain to you what I'm gonna do right now. So right now I'm just gonna like clean my counter, my bathroom, put my dishes away, and then of course I'll show you when I'm done all that once it's done, because like I said, I'm not gonna be able to talk in a second. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn my music back on and do that. But this is the face mask. Okay, I can't talk, but this is what the mask looks like. So I'll probably do a voiceover if you can hear me, but this is what it looks like. Yep. And yeah, this is what the mask looks like. It's so scary looking, like, oh my goodness, it scares the crap out of me. But alright, I'm gonna take it off. It's like super hard, like it feels like I could just peel it off, but you can't. Of course, I'm sure you know that, so I'm gonna do. Okay, so right now, this is what my face looks like after I took the face mask off. I'm about to just do my rest of my skincare routine. So I'll show that to you. And I'll show you all my products, I guess, that I use. And then I'll show you my dishwasher's going, my clothes are in the washer. Do my closet first, because Pip's cage in the living room, that'll take me super quick because I just need to sweep up and just need to dump her cage. So that's not super hard, but it's just the, yeah. And then like normally this is what I would do right after I cleanse my face when I don't normally do a face mask. I try to do a face mask once a week. If I do one that week, sometimes I forget, but usually just once a week.
Want to grow? The calcium in milk helps bones grow.
Okie dokie.
That's my skincare routine. I've been using this First Aid Beauty for let's see how many months, since December, and I love it. It has my skin looking really good, so I like it. It can get pricey, but the stuff will last you like a long time. But yeah, everything but the toner and stuff, that's the only thing that, you know, might get a little pricey, but other than that, everything's gonna last you a pretty good while. So let me just show you so far what I've got done. I'm gonna clean my counter, and in here my bathroom, and in here my bathroom is done. Voila, so that's good. Yep, everything's clean. Now I need to tackle my closet because, like I said, I'm down a storage thing. I might just buy another one of those eventually. Yeah, so this is what I gotta do now. My shoes, I guess I'm gonna put my shoes up there. I believe that's where I'm gonna put that. And that's my air mattress. It won't fit in there properly. But yeah, and those are work clothes on my bed. So that's what I have to do now pretty much. Okay, so my closet's now clean. All my stuff's put away. So for right now, I just put my t-shirts right there. All my shoes are just like left over right there that don't fit up there. And then my bed's done. But what I'm gonna do now is figure out my desk. Y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my desk, honestly. I really don't know. Yeah. So I'm gonna just get the sweeping. I'm gonna start in here next. And I'm pretty much done. And then I'm gonna go to my parents' house just so I can like interact with people. I feel like sometimes living alone makes me feel like living in an insane asylum because like I don't know, I don't really have like friends here or anything yet, so you know I don't want that insane asylum effect to me just be alone for too long. Yeah. What is in my throat? Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm about to try to clean up my room now. Finish my room. Living room won't take me long, or my room, and then we're gonna be good. But anyways, okay, so basically I'm pretty much done cleaning. I've done my room. I've done the living room. Pip's cage. She's eating her dinner right now. And right now it's 8:03, so I think I'm about to head to my parents' house because I'm hungry. I think I got some work I need to work on my dad too, actually. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. But let me just give you an overview of my apartment because y'all saw it before. It was a hot mess, but we've came a long way. I always do this too. I'm super weird like that, but that's how it looks. Closet. I have like more storage back there. Excuse me. And then here's like my room. My desk is done and stuff. I just put that underneath there for now. I don't know where to put it. It's in the stage. And this, my parents gave me their vacuum so I can vacuum it up because it's not doing nothing by trying to swoop it up. But yeah, let me turn these off too. But yeah, I haven't put any decorations up in my apartment yet either though. And then here's the living room. That's Pip. But yeah, I'm just watching Maddie's vlog. And this is Simba. And all his little stuff is in here with him. His last poop is kind of creepy. It's back there. And yeah. But yeah, see, I cleaned her cage. And put that back in the closet. But yeah, so it's all done. Just finishing my ice cream. I haven't Sonic yesterday. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to head to my parents' house. It is 8:18 right now. They live like 30 minutes away from me, so so I'm about to head over there to go eat dinner because I'm hungry, and me and my dad are gonna watch an episode of Blackish, probably like multiple episodes of Blackish because I'm like obsessed with that show right now, and that show is really my father. It's literally my family. It's kind of creepy. But yeah, so turn my lights off, and that's where I'm about to go. I'm also gonna get Pip some more food while I'm at home too, so she has more to eat. But alright, so I'll talk to y'all later. My room light on and this light on for myself, but the room light on prepared that I at least some lights. And I'm about to head out. We just scared the mess out of each other. But yep. So my apartment's actually clean. Get my keys and stuff and head out.